Hi, my name is Jessica Gallatin. This is for VETT 221. So after we've administered our pre-med, we're just pre-oxygenating our patient. We did our pre-med at about 3:20, so we waited about 20-25 minutes. Now it's about 3:55, almost 4 o'clock. So we usually let them pre-oxygenate about 7 to 10 minutes. So real quick, I'm just going to go over my drugs. I've got ketamine, which is an NMDA antagonist, and midazolam, which is a benzodiazepine. The ketamine, we're going to be administering 0.4 mils, going to be IV, and then midazolam 0.18 mils IV as well. So we want to double check our syringes and dosages, make sure there's no air bubbles in the syringes. We're going to check our catheter for patency, make sure that it's patent. And we're going to have the, so we're going to go ahead and check our work area one more time. So this is my work area. I've got my 2 endotracheal tubes, my eye lube, and my esophageal stethoscope.
Okay, what's your first name?
We're going to go ahead and flush the catheter. I'm going to get that on the table. Okay.
What's your mom's name? Let's try her. Bishop, yep, under her. Okay. All right, well, I have you down for Wednesday. Oh, yeah, yes. Okay. Okay, yeah, just let us know. That's not a problem. Just give us a call.
We're going to flush the catheter one more time.
It'll be fine. No worries. Like I said, it's from an ear infection, which is why he has all the goop coming out of his ears. And then they shake their head because of the ear infection, and it busts the blood vessel in the ear, and that's where it comes from. And because the blood can't go anywhere, that's why it blows up like a balloon. But it's not a problem. We can fix it. We do it all the time.
So we're going to go ahead and intubate our patient now that we've been induced.
No, like I said, if you want to pour some on like on a washcloth and all around it, that's okay, but don't pour any actually in the ear. Okay?
So we want to make sure that we got a little bit of a palpebral
Not a problem.
and some jaw tone.
Just give us a call. Thank you.
So we're going to pull back on the epiglottis. Sometimes the patient will elicit a cough to make sure that you're in. And then you can also compress on the chest to make sure that the tube is in as well. And obviously the patient's breathing. So we're just going to inflate our cuff. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and hook up our patient to the monitor.